In Python, an API, or Application Programming Interface, refers to a set of rules and tools that allow different software components or services to communicate with each other. APIs in Python are used to interact with other programs, libraries, or services, enabling you to perform tasks such as sending HTTP requests, manipulating data, accessing databases, or interacting with operating system features. Here are some common types of APIs in Python. 1. Standard library APIs. Python comes with a rich standard library that provides a wide range of APIs for performing various tasks like file handling, using modules like OAS and Shuttle, data manipulation with modules like datetime and JSON, and more. For example, the OS module provides APIs to interact with the operating system, such as reading or writing files or managing directories. 2. Third-party library APIs. These are APIs provided by external libraries that you can install using pip. For example, Request is a popular third-party library that provides a simple API for making HTTP requests, allowing you to interact with web services and REST APIs. 3. REST APIs. In Python, you can interact with REST APIs over the web to send and receive data. Libraries like requests or http.client can be used to make HTTP requests, such as get, post, put, delete, to RESTful web services, retrieve data often in JSON format, and process it in your Python application. Web Framework APIs. If you're building web applications, frameworks like Django or Flask provide their own set of APIs for routing, handling requests and responses, managing databases, and more. For example, Flask provides APIs for defining routes, handling HTTP methods, and rendering templates. Database APIs. Python provides APIs for interacting with databases. For instance, the SQLite3 module in Python's standard library allows you to interact with SQLite databases. Similarly, libraries like Scholalchemy provide higher-level APIs for working with different types of databases. Custom APIs. You can create your own APIs in Python, for example, by using Flask or FastAPI to build a web service that other programs can interact with. These APIs can expose your application's functionality over the web, allowing other applications or services to interact with it. In essence, APIs in Python allow you to access and manipulate various resources, whether they are files, databases, web services, or external libraries, thereby enabling the development of powerful and interconnected applications.